Alright guys, we got the Halverson HWP150 here. We've been using it here a little bit this morning. We had it on another machine and that machine actually broke down. So currently now we've got on a little John Deere 317G. Believe it or not, it handles the processor fine. I did notice the hydraulics might be a little bit slower than the CAT. I had a 279 CAT on it. We're going to get some footage of it running here today. Hunter's got a tape measure. He's going to show you some measurements. He's saying with the bed all the way back, we'll cut 24-inch or split 24-inch logs if need be. That bar, I believe, is about 26 inches long there, if you can see that. And then the throat opening here is about 26 inches where the log clamp goes down too. So Halverson rates him to cut a 22-inch log. Another optional piece we got on right now, we've got the 6-way wedge on here. And we've been splitting some nasty wood here this morning already. We've got some hickory and oak and a little bit of everything. I did notice the hickory, of course it's super tough wood. With the 6-way wedge, if you cut them real long, it was having a little bit of problem. We shortened them up around 20 inches, 18, 20 inches. Seemed to be fine. Just cutting really nasty stuff, might recommend a 4-way wedge if it's real knotty and stuff, but other than that, this is extremely tough wood. You guys can see how stringy this stuff is that we've been cutting here. And that's pretty good lengths there of it too. So hickory is probably one of the spignut hickories, one of the nastier wood. So we'll get some footage of this thing running here. You guys can watch. Alright guys, wanted to show you this log. I actually just cut the end of it off. It was kind of nasty and crooked. How big is that, Hunter?
About 2 foot.
2 foot there. How big is the other way there? Long way. 23, 20, 22 in a small spot. So that biggest spot there was 24 inches and it just barely cut it. That's all it wanted to do. I just wanted to show you guys that. Since the 150 is designed to cut up to 22 inches, the 120 and 140s are only rated at 16. I have put about 18 to them, but this log is the max size. Of course, it's on the butt end too, so it's a little bigger. So what do you think, guys?
I don't know. It's tiring.
Got a little pile of wood, didn't we?
A little.
So we got most of our log pile done there. We got a nasty old beach. What do you think?
Wood.
Got a big old pile of wood. Too much wood.
You got ahead of us.
You got ahead of you? Maybe you guys wasn't going fast enough.
And maybe because you got the... Yeah. Maybe you got some pieces of wood stuff.
So what do we think about the Halverson? I think it did really well.
Yeah, cut too.
We're cutting some nasty, nasty hickory. You guys can see how stringy some of that is. This is oak on top, but it's nasty, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
Anyway, I think you did pretty good. But all in all, it did really well. 6-way wedge did good. Now we just got a bunch of wood to stack up, don't we?
Yeah.
Sounds like a fun time.
Definitely. Lots of fun.
All right, let's get to work.